Hey, Design Fiends. It's winter right now. We're looking at a lot of snow out there, drinking a lot of tea, trying to stay cozy. And we're always looking for those projects to do in the winter when we can't go outside. So those little short projects that can be immediately gratifying are always our favorites. And I have a good suggestion for you to spend one little weekend doing. It's and it's because this trend is just coming in. It's wallpaper, and because it's just starting, you will get some longevity out of this. So get on the bandwagon now, and it's not as hard as you think. If you're a little bit medium crafty, you can do this. And it's a little bit of a mess, but every home project is a little bit of a mess. It's just a little bit of a different kind of mess sometimes. So it's pretty simple. Choose a wall that is the focal wall or an accent wall in a space. So that would be the wall behind the headboard in the bedroom, or like in a bathroom. If your toilet's in a niche, that wall in the back is a perfect place for some pattern. Or if you have a big empty wall that seems like it needs a bunch of art or a large piece of furniture, sometimes that is the perfect wall to put some pattern and some texture on, especially when the other walls in the room have windows and doors in them. You know, when one wall is completely devoid of architectural features, that's your wall. So you're gonna choose the wall, go choose a paper that is appropriate for the space, whether it's gonna have moisture, whether it's gonna have wear and tear, lots of hands on it, like in a stairway. Choose one that can handle what's going to happen to it, and then choose one that has the colors, textures, pattern, scale that space needs. So that's really important. Make sure you bring home a sample of it and hold it up in the space on the wall that it's going to go on, and look at it not only in the daylight but in your nighttime lighting, and make sure that the colors work right. The next very important, hands down, the most important step that you're going to do is prepare the wall properly. You can easily take wallpaper down if you've prepared the wall. If you haven't prepped it, then you are going to have those nightmare wallpaper problems that makes everybody think wallpaper is a bad idea. But if you prep it, it'll be fine. When you're tired of it, it will come down for you without too much drama. Prep your wall. Use one of the online wallpaper calculators. There's a million out there. Measure your wall carefully. I recommend doing it twice, and get the repeat and the width of your wallpaper, and make sure you've run that twice through the calculator and made absolutely sure that you've ordered enough paper. When it comes in, you're going to pull out all your supplies, your ladder, and all the tools you're going to need. You're going to make a little bit of a mess, but it's going to be done in a day. One wall is not hard. So the next morning when you wake up, yeah, your arms might be a little sore, but your eyes are going to dance. It's going to really make your space and add a lot of personality and a lot of texture to a room that you didn't realize needed it so badly. So if you've done this, send me a picture. I'd love to see how it turns out. Or if you have other thoughts about wallpaper, let me know what those are. Let's have the great wallpaper debate. All right, talk to you later, guys. Take care. Bye.